So there are a lot of videos on YouTube about Aokigahara and its dark reputation. This is not one of those videos. This is a video that's meant to show the beauty of the forest, why this is such a great place to visit, and why it's worth exploring, and why you really shouldn't worry about the darker aspects when you come here, because most of what you see is going to be absolutely beautiful in terms of the nature, the lay of the really unique forest itself, and then those kind of beautiful reveal moments like this prairie area. And yes, that is Mount Fuji in the background. What is good, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today is an Aokigahara adventure, and I have a few guests with me, or actually I am the guest of the people I'm with. First of all, we've got Chris over here. Hello. You've probably seen him in my past Aokigahara videos. He is our guide. He's spent more time in this forest than Generation Alpha has spent on Earth. And we have Paul over here, or BushidoDevilDog. He has a YouTube channel where he does Aokigahara videos. I'll link that below, so please check out his channel. Thank you. And last but not least, we have Yasu, who is a longtime friend of mine. He's a pro, he's a guide, he's up on mountains all summer. Although he's been all over Japan and all over climbing Mount Fuji many times and climbed many a mountain, this is actually his first time to hike in Aokigahara. So, are you enjoying it? Good, good. All right. So we've been on the trail for a bit. We've seen several caves along the way, like this one, and some lava tubes, and that's the footage I'll be showing you in just a moment, but we're going to get back on the trail. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, they cut this down last year.
How old do you reckon it was?
I couldn't say, but we can count.
Let's look.
600. Yeah. And they're using it now, the wood, to make whiskey, Scotch whiskey, and some chairs for the town office. But I said they should have left it here. Yeah. It belongs to the forest.
Or at least to fall down and provide nutrients for the next tree.
None shall pass. You shall not pass, sir. It's not a cave though, it's a collapsed cave.
Ah, okay.
It obviously was a big cave and now it's collapsed. We can have a look, but there's some more caves up here, I think.
Was it like an earthquake that collapsed it, or what would cause it?
Just time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Whoa, yeah.
We can have a little look down.
Yeah, let's go. I don't think I'll try to film while I walk this though.
Whoa, yeah.
collapsed Omuro Cave.
That looks quite nice in there. It looks dry actually.
Dry. Like you could shelter there for a night if you needed to.
Yeah.
Any type of animal in this forest that would use that, maybe?
A wren. Little bird would make a nest in there.
I can feel cold air.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just cold air oozing out of there. No joke. It's like when you open the refrigerator at home and stand in the door.
Stones and rocks, it's the same thing. Trees, falling over trees everywhere.
Boulders.
Boulders and holes in between all of that. So
Well, look at how the trees are growing out of the sides of the rocks as you look up there. Just it's
Oh, wow.
weird. One thing I haven't seen up in this part of the forest is all the tape that people use when they go off trail to, do whatever.
There's no public transport to the entrance here though, so it kind of makes it difficult for people who haven't got a car to end it.
Right.
That road we came in on, yeah, there's no public transport on that.
I think that's part of the misunderstanding of the forest, is that like anywhere you are in here, you're going to chance upon some remains, which unlikely around here.
Very.
Especially given the amount of hiking we had to do just to get to this part. You'd have to be really, really keen on having absolute privacy.
Yeah. Glasses Cave. Spectacle Cave.
Megane Ana. Glasses Cave. Spectacles Cave. Because there's two of them.
Yeah, I think it runs down there to the left to another one. I've been to the other one. Can't remember where it is.
Oh wow. Really gets deep over there. Nice.
See the cave runs through there.
Little hard to make out on the camera, I know, but
Is it? I'll go turbo. Oh. That's all I've done.
strobe. That wouldn't be a pleasant fall.
No.
But people have been in there. There's a sign there in the back.
Yeah, Megane. It said Megane Cave.
Megane Cave sign.
Megane Cave.
Be alright.
Scuff mark.
Be alright. Yeah, you gotta watch this here. This is spiky.
Yeah, I see that.
Megane Ana.
Megane Ana.
I
Okay.
think it's a bit of a stretch to call these paired together, but hey.
Oh, and the first one is considerably more impressive than this one.
Yeah, this has got trees growing in out of it. Look at that.
But it is linked. They are linked. Probably right under our feet.
Oh, okay.
There's a
Oh,
hole
wow.
down here.
Yeah, yeah, I see it going over.
Okay, so they actually connect together like the bridge of spectacles. Yeah.
Exactly.
All right.
Wonder if,
So.
yeah, it's right under us here, isn't it? It's right under this.
Yeah, because it's like it's almost a straight line from here, where we just came from, back that way. So,
Mystery sort of solved.
have you been down there, Chris?
Down there,
Yeah,
I can't
in the
remember.
big one.
I've not been through them.
Okay.
No, definitely not. No, definitely not done that. But I might have just been inside there. I can't remember. Can you get in there? There's like a. Isn't the one rock work like that? There's like a step.
I mean, you could.
I guess, yeah, if you
Getting
were,
out would be tricky.
yeah.
It would take a
You could
real
probably-
scramble.
down and maybe hang and then drop.
Right. Yeah.
But
yeah.
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 Getting out would be a chore.
Yeah.
It's not a true cave, but it's
A
a
lava tube.
lava tube here. Yeah, that's cool. And an entrance. Oh, thank you for the light. Yeah, some ancient tree fell here, and then during the eruption, and then the lava covered it up, and the tree rotted away and left this tube. Ain't geology great?
What's going on the left down there then, Paul?
Left. Yeah, that gets steep right away. Like climbing down in there would be, even if we got down into this first part, getting down into there would be.
Need some rope down here, really.
Not happening. Not happening.
You almost died.
That was it. For Yasu, it's beer o'clock. So, unfortunately, I drove.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Now you know why he's the pro.
Over my life.
Instagram pro. So is there a side of Omuroyama that does look like Aokigahara that got lava flow?
No. But the reason people come up here is, I learned to my dismay, was the first 2 times I climbed it, I went up the wrong side, and you get the sasa, the grass, the bamboo grass.
Yeah.
And it's just like that, it's poking you in the eye. This is the best way.
Some critter remains. You think that's a deer, you said?
Yeah, vertebra.
Yeah. So not human, so relax.
Put it in the thumbnail.
Your pills, yeah.
It's fallen over and just sort of, this is okay too.
Yeah.
New roots down.
Could be a little right in that tree right there.
Wow. And there's Fuji.
Yeah. Maybe put it in the car.
Truly another side of Aokigahara. I have not been to this prairie before. This is really cool. And just goes to show you that there's a lot of surprises, a lot of new things to see every time you come out here. And I'm very, very appreciative to Chris for his guidance and the fact he's been out here how many hundreds of times, and he knows this place so very well. Greatly appreciative of his efforts and you know, coming out here and showing us around. But yeah, this is why this forest never gets old, and it's worth the trip in. Obviously you can't see everything the first time, but I don't think you'll be disappointed even if you only come once.
So Paul, that mountain in the distance there, that's kind of the source of Aokigahara. That's where in 865 the big eruption took place, and the magma came out of that hill that created the forest we've just been walking through.
And so it flowed kind of that way to the left.
Yep.
And left this prairie land untouched.
Well, I suppose it was on fire a little bit.
Yeah, okay, that's fair. Yeah, I think most people imagine that that fire originated like
From-
up at the main mountain up there in the middle, but
no, that eruption came from one of these parasite volcanoes, they call them.
yeah. We're almost back to our vehicles. It was quite the beautiful hike today. Saw a lot of different faces of the forest. Each area really does have its own feel, so it's not even just one kind of monolith of Aokigahara looks like this. Every different part has its own characteristics and, you know, unique beauty. So this last part, especially as the light is starting to go, has taken on a kind of otherworldly calm. Just the breeze in the trees, and even the four of us have pretty much stopped talking, just hiking along. It was a lot of fun. It was a really good day out, and glad you could come along with us. Okay, we are back at the first cave that we visited, and that means we're basically at the end of our hike. Thank you so very much, Chris, for being an excellent guide today. He basically led us down 10 kilometers of trails to see the many different faces of the forest. Paul, thanks for coming along. It was great to finally connect and be able to do a hike together.
Right.
We've been trying for a little while now to make that happen, and be sure to check out his channel. And finally, Yas, it's so good that we've gotten a real hike together. I've been looking at your hiking content on Instagram for a long time and been wishing I could go hiking with you. So I'm glad we finally got together. I'll put your Instagram in the video comments as well so that people can find you. Is that all right? Okay. And I want to thank all of you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the adventure with us. And if you did enjoy it, remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.